Welcome dear students to part 4. Let us now discuss about the measurement of mass. You might have studied about atomic mass unit, abbreviated as AMU or simply U in chemistry, and it is one of the practical units for measuring mass. And one atomic mass unit is equivalent to 1 by 12th the mass of carbon 12 atom, and its value is approximately 1.66 into 10 raised to minus 27 kilogram. It is the smallest practical unit for measuring mass. It is used to measure the mass of single atoms, protons and neutrons. You might have seen this common balance in your chemistry lab. Common balance is an instrument used to measure the mass of objects, and we will be dealing with a common balance in our lab sessions. You might have seen this while doing the experiment of Archimedes in class 9. This is known as a spring balance, which is used to determine the weight of an object. This picture helps you to remember the experiment that you have done in class 9 for determining the mass of an object with the help of measuring jar and spring balance. This electronic weighing machine you might have seen in your chemistry lab. This shows us the mass of an object digitally in the space shown. Another instrument known as mass spectrograph is used for the measurement of very small masses. This picture is the picture of a mass spectrograph. This table is given in your textbook, which helps us to find the range and order of masses of various objects. Here also, the mass of the object when expressed in kilograms with a power of 10 is being shown to you. This table helps us to find the difference in masses between very small objects and massive objects. Hope you might have understood about the measurement of masses. Thank you, dear students.